They're all in line. And they're off. And a lot of bumping toward the outside part of the gate, and it looked like Mount Greylock maybe took the worst of it. In fact, it looked like the rider came out of the irons on Anne's Joy and has recovered near the back of the pack. All the while, it's Jumbo, and Tomochichi avoiding all that, and Trench Rat, despite being in a little bit of bumping, is right up and after the lead. They're 3 across the course with 1 lap to go. Affirmed Action settles down 4th. Moonglide is up on his outside. Then Euro Tiger, as Windchimer moves about 4 wide going into the first turn. Mount Greylock is just in behind runners right now. Down on the hedge, that's Red North, and the trailer at this point is Anne's Joy, and he's got about 8 or 9 to make up. Pretty well packed after a quarter of 23-3, and they move for the backstretch. Tomochichi just a short leader right now. Trench Rat, though, right there on his outside. Jumbo is back along the inside third. There goes Moonglide with a big early run, and Moonglide is into contention under Julio Garcia and into second now with Trench Rat kicking on. So it's Trench Rat with Moonglide, and they're going better than Tomochichi as they run past the half mile in 48-2, and they move for the far turn. Tomochichi, though, into a good spot now third, and he's tracking just 2.5 lengths off the lead. Then we come down to the inside, Jumbo. Mount Greylock is there. Euro Tiger is coming with a good run. And here's Euro Tiger coming from between runners, and he's coming after the leaders right now, really bunching up as they come toward the head of the lane. Trench Rat, just a short leader. Moonglide, Euro Tiger, Mount Greylock still in with a shot. Affirmed Action is also running on. It's Euro Tiger and Affirmed Action. These two kick on with it. Red North from the back of the pack is trying to hit his best stride, but Euro Tiger got first run. Euro Tiger, Affirmed Action, Red North into third. It's Euro Tiger and Ariel Smith, and Euro Tiger gets the win today. Affirmed Action second, Red North and Tomochichi.